Good evening, my beautiful Sazzy ladies. This is Miss Donna with Sazzy's Lingerie, and we are located in Kansas City in a suburb called Overland Park, Kansas. And today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everybody. And thank you so much for watching our show, Feather Boa Friday. Be sure to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And as a reminder, when you hit the subscribe button, it's free. Yes, free. So you can watch all of our videos. You'll know when the new videos are coming on. It's fantastic. So we've got that. And my other question is, how was your week? Did everybody have a good week? I mean, everybody's getting ready for Valentine's Day. Here at Sazzy's, we've had so many ladies coming in and getting ready with their sexy lingerie outfits to wear for this weekend. However, so many of my ladies have been stressed, and it's been so hard to see that because, you know, I mean, you've got work, you've got family, you've got your boss, you've got your neighbors. I mean, the list just goes on. And then you throw Valentine's Day in there as well, too. And well, that's a whole nother amount of stress. And so I was talking to my good friend Deann, and I was like, Deann, I've got all this stress. What am I going to do? And she goes, well, let me come over and be on your show. And I'm like, let's do it. So here she is, Deann.
Hey there, how are you?
I'm doing great. So you want to tell our lovely ladies what it is that you do, because, you know, you're going to get rid of our stress.
I hope to. I do massage, I do reflexology, and some energy work.
So do you have like a location you do this? I mean, do you have like a storefront or anything?
I do. My studio is located in Overland Park, downtown. Brand new studio.
You mean
Looking
Olathe?
gorgeous. Oh, yeah.
We're in Overland Park. That's okay.
We're in Overland Park.
We're in Overland Park.
I'm in downtown Olathe.
She's in downtown Olathe right now, appearing in downtown Overland Park. But her shop or store. No, what is it? It's a studio. Studio. Yep. It's another S word. A studio is in Olathe, Kansas. So we're going to have all of your contact information for our lovely ladies down below. So just click the show more button and that'll have all of her information on it. And so we're going to talk about this whole stress thing, but you said, what word was it? Reflexology?
Yeah.
Is that like exercise? I don't, I'm not dressed for exercise. I don't know if I'm ever dressed for exercise, but oh my gosh, we don't have our proper dress attire, and she doesn't know, but she's going to wear a feather boa. Do you like feather boas?
Feather boas.
Yeah. So let's go check out our feather boas and see which one she's going to wear today. I'll let you pick. What would you like?
Oh.
I'm thinking for you, though. I'm thinking, you know, because it's her first time on the show, so we're going to go a little innocent with her. And she looks like Mae West like that. I love her in white. I love that. I can't pull that off yet, but she can, so that's good. All right. And then what color should I wear today? I don't know.
Let's see.
What do we think?
You know, since it is Valentine's Day, I kind of like this on you.
Ooh, a little bit of pink with a little bit of black.
Yeah,
I like that.
Maybe. Let's check this one out here.
Ooh, now the blue one. I like blue too. It does.
But I think we definitely have to go with this for you today.
There we go. That way we have pink and then a little bit of black for the naughty side. All right, so we've got, okay, are we dressed? Yeah, we're dressed better now. Okay, I like that. All right, so, so that reflexology word, that's a big word, and you said it's not exercise.
It's
so
how is
not
exercise.
that word going to help me and my lovely ladies of Kansas City get rid of stress? Because I don't know what this is.
So with reflexology, what you do is you have energy points in your hands and your feet. That you can then work with a partner and massage and help to reduce the stress in their life.
Oh, so is it like a fancy word for massage? Is that what it is?
A little bit,
okay.
Yes. Massage, you can throw in lotions, oils, all sorts of fun stuff to do reflexology on your hands, on your feet, just all over.
So I can do it myself, or I can have somebody else do it for me?
You can do it yourself, but definitely have someone else do that for you.
And then you said oils. So because I sometimes do cooking and I have some vegetable oil and some Crisco oil. Is that the kind? I can't use that? I can't.
No.
What oils are there?
So there's fractionated coconut oil.
I don't like coconuts.
Almond oil.
I like to eat almonds.
There's grapeseed oil. There's so many oils that are much better for your skin than Crisco.
Oh. So that's what I'm doing wrong? I can't use Crisco?
Yes, no Crisco for you.
Okay. All right. See, this is why she's my friend. She knows this stuff more than I do, so that's good.
Another kind of oil is essential oils.
Oh, I've heard about those. Those are supposed to be like what you should have all the time, but I still don't know what they are. What are essential oils?
Essential oils are pure extracts from a plant or a fruit, and they're very natural for your body. You've probably heard about them through history.
Oh, okay.
And they come in all different fragrances.
So when
lavender.
Okay,
jasmine.
So when I've gone and had a massage done and I'm smelling that lavender or the eucalyptus, that's an essential oil?
Definitely.
Yay!
You're getting it.
I knew it. Bye, Crisco. We're going to do this other.
Crisco.
Okay, no more Crisco. Okay. We're done. And I can't even flavor the Crisco, can I?
No.
Probably not. Okay, we won't do that. All right, so you use the oils. So you're putting the oils like on my hands?
Correct.
And will that stain my clothes afterwards?
It will not stain your clothes.
Okay.
It does come out of clothes.
Okay.
But you really want to go sparingly with it. You don't need to use a lot. That is the key with essential oils. You don't have to use a lot.
Nice.
By blending it with that fractionated coconut oil or almond oil, you use less of the essential oil, but spread it further.
So is the essential oil like a perfume type thing?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
just put a little bit of a scent into those other two that you just mentioned. And then we're putting that like on your hands and your feet and massaging it in?
And with your feet, you have the largest pores. So it gets into the system and it actually can help you out. Lavender is very calming oil.
This is true.
So it helps calm the stress, calm the anxiety, help you sleep at night.
Nice.
But it brings that kind of romantic atmosphere as well.
Well, like that.
So have your partner use that before bed.
So like on my hands and feet, do we just like slap it on there, or do you have like a chart that has like different areas of where they should put it on?
Let me grab that.
Oh,
here.
okay, great. She's so smart.
So this is one reflexology book that you can get.
Oh, okay.
This one has a great chart of the hands.
Nice.
Basically telling you different areas of the hands that go with different parts of your body. With that, we also have reflexology for the feet.
I've seen these charts before. I've seen them on Google.
Google, yes.
Google.
That
told me I should use Crisco oil. So can't do that.
Okay, stay away from Google.
Bad Google.
These are in your local bookstores.
Oh, okay.
You can find any of these charts that will tell you right where things are.
So look at this. There is an actual part on our foot called the waistline. So if somebody is rubbing this part of my foot on the waistline, I'm going to lose all the weight I've been looking for. I knew you were my
Wouldn't
friend.
that be nice?
It doesn't work that way?
It does not work that way.
Well, there goes that stress.
You
I
know,
have to
it can
keep
always
that stress.
help.
Okay, well, we'll try it. We'll try it. So what would you say on the feet are like, we'll pretend like my hand's my foot. So where would most people carry their stress in their feet, would you say?
So I would say the middle part here.
Oh, okay.
Is where most of the stress can be.
Okay.
Up here at the top is more of your head's sinuses.
Oh, it's like when I have my migraines
headache,
and stuff?
Yep,
Okay.
at the top.
Okay.
And then you get down into the heart and lungs.
Nice.
Back, stomach area.
Okay.
And then down in the legs.
And that's if this was my foot.
A hand as well.
It's the
they
same?
They go together, yes.
So if I have a migraine on my hand and I'm using this essential oil on my hand because somebody else was rubbing it in there for me, where on my hand should they be
They're going to want to focus
massaging?
up on these fingertips.
Okay.
And just up and down the fingertips.
It doesn't matter if it's my right hand or left hand?
It does not matter.
Okay, so they should do both hands.
Okay. And you just want to get in between the fingers. You want to do the webbing.
Oh.
One disclaimer for pregnant women, do not do the hands and the feet. That can cause some premature labor.
Really?
So we don't want to do that.
Well, that
but for
sucks.
everyone else,
don't get pregnant.
Else, you just rub up and down the fingers.
Okay.
And around. And you use your oils. You can use lotion.
Okay.
Massage lotion. And just really working in there. It's
Okay.
also very soothing, calming. Nice. And then on top of it, you're getting the smell of lavender.
Oh, and I love lavender. I do. Now, do you have like any, since obviously I don't know what I'm buying, Do you have any samples of like what these oils look like?
I do.
Okay.
So one thing I'll show you here, you can get this. You can actually Google this.
Oh, okay.
Or get it through Aroma
Okay.
Tools. It is for doTERRA essential oils, and it tells you exactly what oil to use on what part of the body.
Nice.
So that actually helps a little bit too.
And did you bring some jars?
I did.
Or whatever you call them. I don't know.
So you have fun little jars
Ooh.
like this. This is Serenity, which has just a little pour top.
Ooh, that smells nice. So you just pour this into what again? Did I have to pour that
into like a massage lotion?
Okay.
Or fractionated coconut oil.
Okay. And where do I get those two things at?
You can buy them at any store.
Like what kind of a store?
I would probably
like my grocery store?
Actually, you can.
Ooh, but not in the cooking section.
Not in the cooking section. No. Okay. Otherwise, I'd go online. BioTone is a great massage oil.
Nice.
It's a lotion. It goes really well on skin. It doesn't get all grippy, sticky.
So my skin will feel really soft afterwards, so it absorbs into my skin. So if it's really
Exactly.
dry because it's in wintertime, it'll be okay, right?
Exactly.
Nice. Nice.
They also make bottles of essential oil that is a roller bottle.
Ooh.
So you can roll that on your hand yourself.
Oh, I like that. That smells really good.
And that one's lavender.
I was gonna
And
say.
then this is the coconut oil. This is doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil.
Okay.
It comes with a little pump, so you can just
like
pump it on
pump
your
it
hand.
on.
Yep. Add a little essential oil to it, and then do the massage work with the hands.
She is so smart. Yes.
And it's so fun. It's so relaxing. It's a good way to be intimate with your partner, or just to wind down after a very stressful day.
Oh my gosh. See, this is why she's my friend. She knows this stuff. Well, Deann, thank you so much for being on our show. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
Definitely.
And also go down to the show more section, and you'll see all of Deann's contact information in Olathe.
Now that I know where I work.
Now that you know where you work. And then also we'll put in some of the links to some of the products that you just mentioned, so you've got that information. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to her. Obviously not me, because I'm going to go get you some Crisco oil. So have her do it. Just reach out to Deann. And if you want to book like a massage or reflexology session or energy work, then just give her a call and she'll be happy to help you. So thank you, my lovely ladies of Kansas City and beyond that are watching our show tonight. I appreciate your patronage and you being here. We just really love it. And I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day. And I will see you all next Friday. Bye-bye.
Happy Valentine's Day.